How to fix your Oculus Controller stick drift. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your controller if the stick is drifting. So, in most of the controllers with an analog stick, there may arise a problem called drift. So, drifting is the problem where even if you are not doing anything to the stick, it will automatically move by itself. So, there are basically various things which may be causing this problem. So the first thing may be the dust accumulated over here. So this is kind of hard to show, but right over here on the roller, some dust may accumulate and it may be causing your controller to drift. Now what you can do is simply take some cleaning kit or some alcohol and then make sure not to insert the alcohol directly over here, but simply take a cloth and then insert the alcohol on that cloth and then simply try to wipe this thing with the cloth. Now that may result in the dust going away, but if your problem is still there, what you can do is simply take out your battery of your Oculus controller. So all you have to do is simply slide this thing out and then take your battery out. Now sometimes when you don't have enough battery or maybe your charge is depleting, the drift problem will appear. So if you have a new battery, try switching to the new battery. And if you have a rechargeable battery like me, simply recharge your battery and then try again. So sometimes or in most of the times this method will work. And if your problem is still there, what you can do is simply take your stick and then try to move it as much as you can, so that if there is some dust over here, it will simply relocate its position and maybe your problem may solve. So simply do this for quite a time and then your problem will definitely be solved. Now as a final resort, if you just bought the Oculus and your controller is showing this problem, you can simply return your controller only, or if you want you can also return your Oculus headset altogether and make sure to tell them what your issue is, and if they agree, you can simply swap out your Oculus for a new Oculus. So those were the ways on how you can fix your controller drift on your Oculus. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.